Debbie here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this X-celerate oven thing. So I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about it, and I just wanted to try it myself and see my honest opinion about it and stuff. So I already have this assembled pizza, but it's not cooked, so I'm going to put it in here, and I'm just going to put it on like normal ovens say about 15 minutes to put on, so I'm just gonna try that. And it says 350 degrees, so I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, and I'm gonna just start it, and I'm gonna pause the video, and I think something may have malfunctioned. Okay, well, that's hot. Usually these kind of ovens don't cook it all the way through, so, okay, that's looking really hot. Let's try this out.